welcome to a new video. My name is Mika. For those who are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today we are at Ponce Market. We are going to the town's pop-up. So that's where we are at today. We're gonna do that, and then later on today we got a cookout. So I want to get on here and start a vlog.
We got some amazing trivia.
So I am on my way to the Atlanta airport. I am doing a restaurant week collab with them. So it's gonna be fun. We're gonna talk about like different restaurants that you can get, or we're gonna talk about different restaurants that you can eat at the airport. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. It's a lot of traffic out here or whatever, but I cannot wait to like share with y'all on the different places I eat at, how the food tastes. So if you are ever in the Atlanta area, or you have to have a layover at the Atlanta airport, then you will know exactly where to eat to get some good food. So I just want to kind of get on here and just do a quick little intro, but I need to kind of like focus on traffic because I need to get on 20, baby, and I'm all the way in the right lane, and I got to exit off the damn left lane. So yeah, I will have to I'll check in with y'all once I get to the airport. Good evening. Yeah.
Everything is absolutely beautiful to include you. I mean, you're talking about a customer service experience. I felt that as soon as I came through. So again, thank you to all of you for coming with us and, you know, pumping it up and, you know, influencing it for us. They say Atlanta influences everything. So with that being said, as Elise stated, that tonight we're doing something different, right? We're doing something different. Because see, at Hartsfield Jackson, we do everything different because we're unique. And you got to remember, when you're in a class with unique, you're the only one, right? And that's what Hartsfield Jackson is. We're taking this centennial celebration beyond the runways and terminals and straight right here at the tables where you'll be eating today. Because let's be real, ATL is not just the busiest. ATL is the first, the last, and the best meal that you will ever partake in, and that is this evening. Hartsfield Jackson has been setting the standard, and we've always set the standard. We will always be the standard that everyone wants to follow. And the aviation is for 100 years. We've been making an impression, we've been transforming, and everybody wants to be like us, because they not like us, right? I just wanted to do that. I just wanted to do that for the influences, right? You know, every day we move 300,000. And I said day. I didn't say weekly. I didn't say monthly, and I did not say bi-monthly, and I did not say biannual. I said 300,000 passengers every single day. That's what we host here, right? So
Justin McAlpine.
Where is he? Is that him right there? Come on up here. Chef McAlpine began his culinary journey at just 13 years of age, volunteering in local restaurants and sharpening his skills in high school cooking classes. By the time he was 17, so we have a whole little thing for the chefs to stand up as we talk about who they are. So, by the time he was 17, he was already cooking with the best of the best, working alongside four-time James Beard award-winning chef Frank Stitt at the acclaimed Bottega restaurant. Talk about starting strong. Chef Justin's talent eventually led him to the big screen, where he took home the win on Food Network's Supermarket Stakeout. That's why he looks familiar, right? And today he's bringing that same energy and creativity to his role as executive chef for HMS Host. For this experience, Chef Justin is taking us back to the 1990s, a decade of boy bands, dial-up internet, and some seriously iconic eats. And here's a fun ATL flashback. In February of 1999, we officially became the world's busiest. Justin is cooking up a delicious tribute to that era. So without further ado, let's hear from the
some ceviche, and it's really good. I really like the flavor. It's like a citrusy flavor. Really good. I'm not sure what this is. Let me see. It's very hard. Okay, so this is fish ceviche, and it has grouper, tiger milk, sweet potato, onion, and serrano. So this might be the sweet potato. Yeah. Well, the sweet potato is really good. It's really good, guys.
Alright, walking around. I guess you want to get some of that.
Yeah. Okay. When I go out, I can order me some ceviche now.
Cocktails and more, but here's where it really gets exciting for us. Chef Todd was the opening corporate chef for One Flew South. Yes, that One Flew South, right here at ATL. Under his leadership, it became the first airport restaurant to be considered for a James Beard Award. That is major, y'all. You foodies know James Beard, that's huge. Either way, we're in for a treat. Please welcome the one and only Chef Todd Richards.
Alright guys, so we have, what are we eating? We're eating seared redfish, a short rib croquette, sweet and sour butternut squash, white asparagus, and caviar fume. So here it is. This is what it looks like. And we're gonna get ready and dig in here. Alright, we're gonna try the redfish first. This is good. Let's try this salmon. No, that's not salmon. This is short rib croquette.
So this is our assistant general manager. So this is Monica's my boss. We love her dearly. Very awesome. She believes in our millennial dreams.
I don't know how I feel about them croquet guys. Let's see.
That's right. That's right.
That's interesting. I wish I had a little sauce on this croquette.
Good point. It's all about the sauce. I love that.
The fish is really good. Wow. This is interesting, but I do wish there was some sauce on here. I feel like I can use a little bit of.
Something different.
No. Cause it's like the outside of the, it's real thick breading, but when you get to the inside, I'm like, okay. I wouldn't even be opposed to a little gravy or something. But definitely, it's very hearty. Okay, these chefs know what they doing up in here. Oh. So we have the duck dish. It has seared duck breast, duck leg confit served with brown butter, mashed potatoes, cider glaze, root relish, and lime and lemongrass chili. So this is the lime and lemongrass. No, no one's sitting there. Alright, so let's try the duck. Not bad. No.
I said yes, and then we got married a year later.
My potatoes are good.
Yeah, we had dinner at a friend's house. Yeah.
So you was a blind date at a friend's house?
Yeah, blind date. The friends were the ones that introduced us.
That was your friend or his friend?
Both.
Really?
It was so funny. The guy, it was a couple, a husband and wife. The husband was his maintenance man when he worked at Waffle House. But the husband was also the director of the Atlanta Christian Chorus, which I sang.
This is cornbread stuffing cake. So let's try that. No, I can't eat that. Yeah, I forgot I had a knife in here. Mashed potatoes are really good.
Right. I mean, if you don't ask, the answer's automatically no. If you do ask, it could be yes, it could be no. But you know what no is? Not now. Go back and ask again.
All right, guys. So we have for dessert, we have coconut rice pudding with bourbon, soaked raisins, mango, and peanuts. So that's what we have.
To introduce someone who plays a huge role in making our concessions program best in class. Please give it up for our Assistant General Manager of Commercial Revenue, Tyronia Smith. As Ty comes up, I'm going to tell you that she and her incredible team do a tremendous job of managing our award-winning Sky Point Concessions program. So if you've ever had a great meal, picked up a perfect gift, or tried one of our services, chances are Ty had something to do with it. So let's hear from her now.
Thank you, Elise.